Hello and welcome to another Wix.com tutorial. Today I'll be creating a website from the zero. Here, after creating your Wix.com account, you head to dashboard, you head to my sites and click on create a new site. They will be directing you to a new window to build your new website. They will be asking you some questions. What kind of website are you creating? So let's create an online store. Next, what's the name of your store? As always, we are using Madara as an example. Next, what do you want to add to your website? So this online store is what are we creating? So you can add chat, forums, Instagram feed, and you can view more and add more apps like blog, booking, events, portfolio, pricing plans, so to sell subscriptions and memberships, videos, music, online programs, forum. Yes, we already added forum. We have groups, file share, table reservation, restaurant menus, food orders, and bands in town. List all your upcoming live event. So here we are only adding this for now. Okay, let's just remove Instagram feed for now. Next, start setting up your store. Click here. Begin with a template. Template. You can choose now your template depending on what are you selling or depending on your website. For us, we choose online store. So let's choose this one. After choosing it, you can switch between view and edit, and I choose edit. They will be directing you to the website editor from Wix. Wix offers a wide variety of templates for different type of websites, so choose the one that the best fits your need. You can preview each template before selecting one. Now we are heading to the customization of our template. Once you selected a template that you liked, you can start customizing it. You can change the colors, font, and layout of the template to make it your own. So we are waiting. So here is our website. I am a product, so that's a bit weird. What happened to the page? Ah, now it's correct. So this website is treating me like an idiot. So here we can add elements, sections, page and menu, site design, add apps, my business, media, content manager. So here your website will look like this. There is a lack of images here. So as I said, they are treating me like an idiot. I am a paragraph. Click here to add your own text and edit me. It's easy. Just click edit text. We have here, I'm a product. This is a little weird. So all of you are products. Nice to meet you, products. So you can edit it from here. Quick edit. You can add column, change the background color. Snowy mountains. Like this. Oh, this is moving. Nice. So the buttons, you can edit buttons type. You can change it. Let's put a welcoming message. Welcome. You can link it to a website. You can the settings here are for the font and the color. We have here the paragraph. This should be long, not just a word. Allow and other things. I'm not pushing the whole paragraph here. So after this, you press enter. Oh no, forget that. Just press other things. So here you can add the header. You can scroll down and you can close the quick edit from here. Down, you can edit the apps. Let's choose the mobile version. So this is how your website will look on the mobile app. Let's just, no. Let's make it smaller, like here. The search bar, the products. So after editing the first page, you can click on add pages. Here, menu. You can add product pages, shop, car page, or a thank you page. A member page, the personal information of the customer, and that's it for creating a simple website. After creating the website, you should connect it to your domain. Wix also offers domain and logo maker, so you can create a whole website free on wix.com. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.